The Supreme Court on Wednesday said it will allow the Environmental Protection Agency to enforce new greenhouse gas emissions limits for power plants. More than 24 states requested an emergency hold on the policy. It calls for coal plants to capture nearly all of their carbon dioxide emissions by the year 2039. State leaders and industry officials have argued that the change would cost the plants millions of dollars. The ruling is the third Supreme Court rejection of an emergency appeal on EPA standards this month. The agency is facing a plethora of lawsuits, largely from red states and conservative attorneys general. Michael Gerrard joins us now. He's a professor at Columbia's Climate School and the faculty director of the Sabin Center for Climate Law Change at Columbia. Michael, thank you for being with us, Professor, I should say. This Supreme Court move seems like a big win for the EPA. Do we know why the justices denied this emergency appeal?
Well, traditionally, they usually deny emergency appeals. It's just that in the last few years, they have struck down a handful of EPA regulations on this emergency basis before they've gone through the lower courts. And that has emboldened a lot of the red states and industry to try for more. But as you said, in the last week, including today, the Supreme Court has denied that. So it allows these regulations to percolate through the lower courts before they have a chance to go up to the Supreme Court. But it is good news for climate change control.
Okay, gotcha. Let's talk about another case, this time out of San Francisco against the EPA, requesting clearer regulations on water pollution. The court also heard that case Wednesday. How could that ruling affect the Clean Water Act and the EPA's authority on water regulation?
So San Francisco has a permit from EPA to discharge treated water from its sewage treatment plants into the Pacific Ocean. And like most permits, it has numerical limits. It says you can release so many pounds of different pollutants. But this EPA permit also says, in addition to that, the discharge can't impair the water quality of the Pacific Ocean. And San Francisco is saying that's too vague. We don't know how to control that. And so they're saying that it was beyond EPA's power to have that qualitative restriction in addition to the numerical restrictions it has.
We know politics touches almost everything now. Is it surprising that an overwhelmingly Democratic city filed that case?
So this wasn't really an ideological case. It was a case to save San Francisco the extra money that it would cost to upgrade its sewage treatment plant. And they said they didn't even know just how to do it because the rule was so vague. It wasn't a regulation. It wasn't a lawsuit striking at the core of environmental law.
Well, the Trump administration rolled back more than 100 EPA regulations. The Biden administration has been working to restore those and push further environmental policies. Is that why we're seeing a flurry of legal action?
No, basically what we've seen since the beginning of the Obama administration is whichever president is in power, the other side challenges all their actions, all their environmental actions. So Obama was faced with a lot of lawsuits from the red states and industry. Trump was faced with a lot of lawsuits by blue states and industry. It went the other way with Biden. So we're pretty much in a litigious world where all significant environmental regulations get challenged in court.
How could the election results affect the future of the EPA?
Well, it'll be a sharp divide. If Harris wins, I think we'll see a continuation and strengthening of the Biden record. If Trump comes back, he'll do what he did last time, which is to greatly weaken EPA, to put in charge of it people who don't really believe in its mission, and to try to repeal a lot of regulations. And then again, we'll be back in court with all of these. But we flip-flop depending on who's in power.
Professor Michael Gerrard from Columbia's Climate School, we really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.